Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on syncing to iCloud problem. So the first fix is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data. If not, turn off Wi-Fi and try to see, and turn off mobile data and try to see with Wi-Fi. The second fix is check iCloud storage. Go to settings, tap on your Apple ID. Simply tap on your Apple ID. And if your storage is full, delete photos or videos from iCloud.com. Go to iCloud.com, log in with your Apple ID. Go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID and delete some photos which are synced with your iCloud. The third fix is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve syncing issues. The fourth fix is toggle iCloud photos. Go to settings, tap on Apple ID, tap on iCloud, tap on iCloud photos, and make sure sync this phone is turned on. If it is not turned on, turn it off and after turning it off, turn it on again and check it. If this also does not fix a problem, we'll move to fifth fix, that is disable low power mode. Go to setting, search low power mode, and if it is turned on, ensure it is turned off. Turn it off. The sixth fix is to sign out and sign back into iCloud again. Tap on Apple ID, scroll down and tap on sign out. Sign out and sign in again to see if these steps help you resolve the issue or not. If none of these steps work, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.